Hello, oh, today this is the Behringer KM750 unboxing 2. That's right, I now have 2 of these. The first one is probably the most hated unboxing ever because you see that guys, I'm funny. This guy's drunk or this guy like did he just use with the T-Dot or something? I don't know, whatever. I don't care. As you know, I did a speech button. Can I go fuck yourself? I don't give a fuck. I'm watching this video because I want to on camera again, and I'm going to. You want to see me unboxing this time? I've already done this up before. I'm going to do this up in my network video. I'm about to do. So are we in the rack? Anyway. My first mistake, let's get it. I'm about to do. Alright, we have another book. Look at that. I know how to use it. I have one. I know how to use it. I have one. Let's see more. Come on. That's not how to use it. Alright. It's a good thing. Looks very familiar, isn't it? I hit missed the amount on the rack though. IEC power cable. Let's get your stand at 42. Your IEC speed line out. And speed terminal out. Ground lift, emitter, mode, I have in stereo, sensitivity, XLR inputs, quarter inputs, all these in XLR, and the RCA input. You take RCA, but no people doesn't need RCA or an amp. Just on they use quarter inch or XLR. And I'm thinking XLR. I'm tapping off the output of my current amp. So I decided rather than run new cable from the board, I'll just use cables that are already there. Even though I need a pair of XLR players. So, what happened? I put this in the rack. See my network video, my 2022 network video. I'll have this cable go to the Eastern cable going to my current amp. And this will go into here. That will go to the other amp, just like that. Go to the other amp. Not this one. And boom. I could use it like that. I could set to mono mode, but when it will go to my other amp, it's already in the rack. Like that, and then the other amp. Then I have one more going across here, which is right here. And be all said and done. So yeah. There is the second KM750 unboxing on my channel. Probably the most hated one of them. Also, yes, the result in the reaction is done. Hopefully it works. Alright. Enough unboxing here. I didn't saw it in the rack for a while. It works just fine. No problems at all. I'll put a picture up here now. How it looks in the rack. I just want to raise, that's not raise as well. I put it all in at once. So I don't have the rack up where I can step up. I put the amp in, run the cable for it. It works. It was simple. Take the Xbox cable out of the first amp, put splitters on the ends, both input, run the speed wires out, and call it a day really. Currently they are both being run off the same feed from the board. In the future I'm hoping to change that. But for now, we'll start simple and slow. But yeah, it works just fine. As the first one, Behringer makes good products. And that's that. I'm going to do the unboxing. Very short, sweet, to the point. But we have it anyway. That's me guys. Thanks for watching and take it easy.